just wanna talk to you. I just wanna talk to you. I just wanna talk to you. I just wanna talk to you. You got my head spinning. Is this just the beginning of the end? Oh, and now I'm just wishing that all my ambitions were misled. Whoa, we ain't got no liquor, need some place to start. Shit, baby, I'm trying too hard. Yeah, 'cause I just wanna talk to you. 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 I got the horn twirled around your little finger, ready any moment to fall apart.
It's the curse of losing real love when your heart is young. You think your best days are behind you before they've begun. And then somebody new decides to come along. He could be everything you wanted, but it still feels wrong. It's not that I don't wanna let him in. It's just my heart is not my own to give. He's got the same brown eyes, that devastating smile. Yeah, he's got something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. His kisses do the trick, his hands give me my fix. He gives me something, but he's nothing.